Freewallet Crypto Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Freewallet Crypto Wallet App promises to make cryptocurrency simple, safe, and accessible to everyone. But is it truly as user-friendly as it claims, or are there hidden drawbacks you should know about? Let's uncover the pros and cons of Freewallet. Let's start with the positives. Freewallet is designed for convenience above all else. It supports over 150 different cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many altcoins. This makes it a great choice for users who want one app to manage multiple coins without juggling different wallets. One of the biggest pros is built-in exchange functionality. You can instantly swap one crypto for another right inside the app. No need to go through an external exchange. It's fast, seamless, and beginner-friendly. Security-wise, Freewallet stores funds in cold storage, which keeps assets offline and safe from hackers. It also offers two-factor authentication, fingerprint access, and email verification for transactions, adding layers of protection. The app's user interface is another plus. It's clean, colorful, and easy to navigate, even for those new to crypto. And if you ever lose access, there's built-in recovery through your email, something many decentralized wallets don't offer. However, here's where things get tricky. Freewallet is a custodial wallet, which means it holds your private keys, not you. This gives the company control over your funds. Most people get this wrong, but in crypto, not your keys, not your coins is a golden rule. Another con is withdrawal restrictions and fees. Some users have reported slow transactions or delays when sending funds to external wallets. Additionally, because the app uses its own internal system for transactions, it can sometimes feel less transparent than blockchain-native wallets. Lastly, Freewallet isn't open source, so its code can't be independently verified for security or privacy. In conclusion, Freewallet is great for beginners who want simplicity, security, and multi-coin support, but it's not ideal for advanced users who demand full control of their keys. If you value convenience and don't mind a custodial setup, Freewallet could be a solid starting point for your crypto journey.